Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Shreya Nautiyal and today I have got some interesting updates from around the world related to online orders and deliveries. First up, let's talk about Bangladesh. Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has suddenly resigned after 15 years in power and left the country. This big change is causing various challenges in all the fields. Talking about food deliveries, with the leadership transition, Bangladesh is facing delays. People are finding it hard to get their food on time because of these issues. Let's hand over to Beirut. Recently, Israel warplanes have been flying over the city, making loud noises. This has caused a lot of panic among the residents. The loud sounds are disrupting daily life and slowing down the deliveries. Food and other essential items are facing delays because of this disturbance. It's been challenging for the people to get their goods on time, and we hope the situation improves quickly. Now, let's talk about something a bit different. In the UK and Australia, there is an app called The Feast that's really popular. This app helps people find recipes and plan their meals. It also has a cups calculator and a food dictionary for different countries. Even though the Feast app doesn't directly impact food deliveries, it's making more people cook at home. As a result, grocery deliveries might become busier in these countries. People are ordering more ingredients, which could mean more demands for delivery services. Now, we got a healthier conscious news from India. The news of wrestler Vinesh Phogat disqualification from the Paris Olympics due to weight issues has sparked a focus on healthier eating. This shift is increasing demand for nutritious meals options, impacting food delivery services as more people seek to balance taste with health. Delivery companies are responding by offering a broader range of health-conscious meals, catering to the growing desire for both flavor and nutrition. Well, what do you guys think about which country is on the top and which uses food delivery the most? According to the records of 2024, China is expected to be the biggest player in the grocery delivery market. Earning around $450 billion, China makes more money from grocery delivery than any other country. So whether it's a political change in Bangladesh, noise disturbances in Beirut, or a handy app making waves in the UK and Australia, it's clear that the food deliveries around the world are facing some interesting challenges and changes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. See you next time.